So here we have the Volkswagen Polo on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space available as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 70,712. Below which, we have a digital readout there for the fuel gauge as well. If we back out to the steering wheel, over on the left-hand side, we have the indicator, of course. We've also got cruise control on the end of the stalk, which you can turn on and off from here and set on the end of the stalk just there. Into the centre, we have heated rear screen, traction control and hazard warning lights. Below that, the main stereo, which includes a CD player. We've also got auxiliary input and, of course, radio, DAB, FM and AM, as you can see, and the main volume for the stereo is just here. Below that, we have the air conditioning. You can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set. We have some storage back there, 12-volt charging socket and the auxiliary input, 2 cup holders as you can see, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.